Is the tomato paste on your plate really made of tomatoes? Today, we uncover the hidden journey of how authentic tomato paste is made and expose the secret practices of food fraud that could be putting your health at risk. Every story of real tomato paste begins in the field. Only mature, ripe, red tomatoes, bursting with natural sugars and flavor, are chosen for production. Farmers carefully select only the best. Inside the factory, tomatoes are washed in water channels to remove dirt and dust. Sorting machines and human inspectors discard damaged fruit, ensuring only the highest quality pulp is processed. Tomatoes are crushed into pulp. Skins and seeds are removed through fine sieves, leaving smooth tomato juice that begins its transformation into paste. The pulp is concentrated in large stainless steel vacuum evaporators. Water is carefully removed under controlled heat and pressure, preserving color and nutrients while thickening the paste. The result is pure, rich tomato paste. Thick, smooth, nutrient-dense. True tomato paste is a source of lycopene, vitamin C, and essential antioxidants. But not every jar tells this story. Behind the label, a darker reality hides, one where profit replaces quality. This is food fraud. Some producers dilute tomato pulp and add cheap fillers, cornstarch, glucose syrup, gums, and artificial colors. Fewer tomatoes used, higher profit earned at the expense of authenticity. Fraud leaves evidence. The iodine test turns starch blue. Laboratories analyze sugar profiles, gums, and even illegal dyes. Investigations show entire markets flooded with fake paste. When tomato paste is diluted, nutrition is lost. Lycopene drops. Vitamins vanish. Instead of concentrated health, consumers receive empty calories. Hidden starch and sugar pose risks. For diabetics, it means sudden spikes in blood sugar. For the gluten-sensitive, inflammation. For all, metabolic stress and obesity risk. In the worst cases, illegal dyes like Sudan red are used to mimic natural color. These chemicals are banned worldwide, linked to cancer, and pose direct danger to public health. Tomato paste should be honest, but fraud steals nutrition, trust, and safety. Demand transparency. Read labels. Support genuine producers, because the most important ingredient in your kitchen is truth.